While this aroma is often referred to as skunky, that reference doesn't mean much to those who have never smelled a skunk. Those who have smelled a skunk are aware that it is a very negative aroma. However, with other descriptors like coffee and toffee, this aroma sounds like it could be construed as positive. Caused by exposure to ultraviolet light through sunlight or prolonged exposure to fluorescent lights, this Lightstruck smell should be considered an off aroma, as it is not intended by brewers to be part of their beer profile. The highly aromatic 3-methyl-2-butene-thiol, or 3-MBT, the compound we associate with a Lightstruck character, is produced when light reacts with hop acid suspended in beer and riboflavin, a B vitamin produced as a byproduct of fermentation. The wavelengths of light that will trigger this reaction are between approximately 350 and 500 nanometers, wavelengths that are found in sunlight, especially direct sunlight exposure, as well as in most fluorescent lights. Light of this wavelength, in the presence of riboflavin, reacts with isomerized alpha acids at the oxygen double bond, and releases a fragment that reacts with sulfur compounds naturally occurring in beer to produce 3-MBT. One method of control of this compound is the use of modified or reduced iso-alpha acids available from hop product suppliers. In this case, the double bond oxygen is reduced to a form which is not reactive to light. This prevents the break-off of the fragment, resulting in a beer that is light stable. Packaged beer in cans or kegs is impervious to this effect until poured into a glass, at which time it becomes exposed to light. For bottled beer, use dark brown glass for packaging to reflect the light. Simply put, wherever possible, avoid exposure of beer to light.